Samvidhan Divas. Hello everyone, welcome to all for the celebration of Constitution Day of India. Constitution Day of India is also known as Samvidhan Divas or National Law Day or National Constitution Day. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar is independent India's first Minister of Law and Justice and is considered as the chief architect of the Constitution of India. He was British India's Minister of Labour in Viceroy's Executive Council, Chairman of the Constituent Drafting Committee. It was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 26 November 1949 and became effective on 26 January 1950. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. The document lays down the framework that democrats' fundamental political code, structure, procedures, power and the duties of government institutions and sets out fundamental rights, directive principles and the duties of citizen. It is the longest written constitution of any country. Reading of the preamble to the Constitution is an important part of celebrations and reaffirming our commitment to upholding its ideology.
Preamble to the Constitution. The people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
India's constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. It took around 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to complete the constitution. Therefore, Constitution Day of India is celebrated on 26 November to commemorate the adoption of Constitution of India. Thank you so much for watching with us.